Hi everyone, welcome back to my commerce class. Today we are going to learn one more interesting concept of marketing subject, product planning and development. So what is product planning and what is product development? So it's the process of introducing a new product into the market by carrying research activities or the survey activities. But that is to be done in a systematic way, and that's what we are going to learn under this concept. Let us know the meaning of product planning. So it is a systematic process of deciding for various questions like what to produce, what kind of product to be introduced, and when we have to make the production, and whom to produce, who are the target customers for that product, and where and which market, to which market is suitable to sell that product, and how to introduce, how to launch that product by creating publicity awareness about the product. For that we have to spend a lot of money on advertisement and all, and how we are going to plan about it. So for all these questions we need answer, and that is will be decided in a systematic way, and that's what called product planning. You are going to decide the design of the product, the quality, the nature, the features of the product, and when you have to make the production, and what is the time that you need to finish the production, everything to be decided. And to whom that you are going to produce, who are the target customers for you, maybe the children, youth, okay, adult, girls or the boys, like to whom that you are producing that product, that you have to decide. And for any introduction of a new product, a prior plan is essential to attract the customers, a platform to be created by creating awareness through publicity, advertisement and all, and how you are going to effectively plan all these things. So that's what you are going to do in product planning, okay. And later you are going to develop a product. That's what we call product development. So product development is nothing but the process of converting an idea into a finished product to meet the customer's requirement. So you're going to get some ideas like desires, wants of the customers, what you have collected through survey, the ideas what you have taken from the customers, those ideas to be converted into product, because that is the need of the customer. But how you are going to do that process is called product development. There are different stages in the product development like idea generation, idea screening, business analysis, product development, test marketing, and also product launch, introducing new product. These are the major stages what you have to follow to complete the process of introduction of new product into the market, what we call product development. 6 stages we have. Let us understand what is to be done in each stage, okay. So idea generation is the nothing but collection of ideas from different sources, okay, collection of ideas. So you have to gather ideas, the desires, needs, wants of the customers, different sources. It may be directly from the customers through survey, feedback and all from the salespersons, dealers, agents, employees who are working in the organization, or the suppliers, the competitors, or by the analysis of market trends, or your own market research department also gives the ideas. So likewise you have to generate the ideas from different sources, okay. You have to get all the information from different sources, or together you may get some 50-60 ideas also, depending on the nature of the product. Sometimes maybe 20, sometimes maybe 50, like that you'll get some ideas, okay. Whatever the ideas you have gathered from different sources, all the ideas may not be suitable to your objectives, okay. The organization will have its own objectives and goals, no, it will have its set of its own line of products also. Some ideas may not suit to the organization. So in the second stage you are going to do idea screening. We call it as filtering the ideas. You are going to select the best ideas depending on the investment required. That's what we call cost efficiency. and market feasibility, demand, and later how you can sell it in the market. And the technical aspect should also be taken into consideration. Infrastructure, the availability of machines, availability of raw materials, and transportation system. Likewise, you have to consider various factors to decide or to get the best ideas. So out of some, I told you know, out of some 20 ideas you have, out of that you have to select the best ideas which are most suitable for your organization by considering all these factors. So out of this you may get some 5 ideas. Okay, so 5 ideas may be most suitable based on these factors. Okay, the ideas what you have taken, the 5 ideas, those ideas will be further analyzed based on various factors, and we call it as business analysis. So the 5 ideas what we have, these 5 ideas will be further analyzed on the basis of estimated cost. What is the cost required to produce, which includes labor cost, machinery cost, and also raw material cost. And what is the additional infrastructure required, machineries or the land or the labor, whatever that is required. And if what is the investment, what is the return, okay, estimated returns to be calculated. Okay, that's the returns you are going to get. And what will be the competition in the market if you enter into the market with that new product? What will be the reaction of the competitors and your expected customers demand, so that you can understand how much you can sell in the market. So estimated sales will give the picture of estimated profit. So this is to be analyzed for each ideas, whatever the 5 ideas are there now, for each idea you have to make this analysis. So out of that you may get the best 2 ideas. Okay, out of 5 ideas you may choose the 2 best ideas which suits to your organization, maybe the economic, and maybe bring more returns, and customers demand may be expected more in the market. Likewise, you will choose the best 2 ideas. Those 2 ideas will be converted into product. Conversion of ideas into product called as product development. These 2 ideas will be converted into product means you are going to produce the product according to the idea what is designed. Okay, this idea is a product design which gives the picture about the product. Okay, that is to be completed by production process, where you are going to install machineries, will make some appointment of specialized employees who are required to produce that product, and you'll carry production process with your own production plan and all, where you have to decide about packing, branding, labeling and all, but you are going to do it in a very small quantity. The 2 products will be produced in a small quantity, and later you have to test whether these 2 products what you have produced are acceptable in the market. So to test that, you are going to carry the next stage called test marketing. It means you will choose the market. Already that market you have to make a distribution. Okay, distribution of that selected 2 products for the selected customers. Okay, we call it as a test market. So you may sell it at a lower price, or you may give it as a sample, or you may sell it at a fair price also. It depends on you. But you are going to sell it in the market to understand the customer's response. Okay, so you have to get a feedback of the customers. For that sake, you are doing test marketing. By test marketing, you are carrying a real survey. Okay, so you'll get a customer response, and you'll understand the level of demand for your product, and you can also understand the competitor's reaction. Based on these responses, you will choose the best one. Okay, the best one, and if both are good, you may go for both the products also. So usually, generally they'll first choose the one product which is mostly accepted by the customers, the one which is very much accepted by the customers, and the demand is level is also good, and customers competitors reaction is also very positive. If you feel that, you are going to select the one product and that will be commercialized. That means you are going to produce that product in a large scale. We call it as commercialization of product, and that's also called product launch. Okay, so we'll make all necessary arrangement to produce it in a large scale. Okay, so again you have to do what? Communication, proper communication, called mass communication. Through advertisement, publicity, you have to create awareness about the product, and you have to make necessary arrangement to distribute the products in different markets, and you have to use some innovative marketing strategies. Today this modern marketing, digital online marketing, so the people are very much interested to go through these things. Okay, have to make use of all such social media and create awareness and try to attract the new customers so that your product will get success in the market. Okay, these are the stages to be followed for a introduction of new product and to get success in selling the product. I hope that you are clear about what are the different stages of product development. Idea generation, okay, gathering information, ideas from different sources. Ideas means the needs of the customers, and these ideas to be filtered, only few selected suitable ideas to be taken, and we have to do business analysis based on cost of production, investment and all. Later you are going to convert the ideas into product production process. A small quantity you are going to do, so that small quantity products what you have done, that will be introduced in the market, in a selected market, distributed to the customers or sold at a lower price to understand the customer's response. Okay, and if the product is accepted, if the response is good, you are going to produce the same product in a large scale and you are going to distribute in different markets to improve your sales and profit. Okay, this is about the product planning and development. The coming video, I'll take up one more concept related to product. Like, share and subscribe. See you in the coming video.